for many iconic things, and right now, in the shadow of the Space Needle, some former Huskies are playing professionally, in large part because of the UW's success in the women's soccer program.
Lindsey Elston is a perfect example, a powerhouse forward, blasting goals for the Dogs, setting all kinds of records at the UW. Now, after graduating early with a communications degree, Lindsey is still doing her talking on the field, leaving the purple and gold Dogs for the professional Houston Dash.
It's different, but I was ready to do something new, you know, like I had my 4 awesome years at UW, and now it was time for me to move on, and I never thought I'd love wearing orange, but I actually do.
She's a team player. She buys into her role with the team. She's willing to get out and do community service work and all those things that we ask our young pros to do. So she was a really good fit.
On this night, Lindsey is back home in Seattle for the first time since turning pro in the newly formed National Women's Soccer League, a dream come true.
Words can't describe what it feels like, but also to be here on my home field. A lot of fans coming out. I haven't seen my family for a while, but I don't know. It's just really indescribable feeling.
The team's new, so a lot of the girls have just come in. They've bonded. She's a family in Houston invited them to stay at their house, so 4 of them are living together, and it's been kind of a nice setup. So she feels like she almost has a family, down there already. It's been really very exciting for her.
But also exciting for the Pac-12 Conference, which continues to pave the road professionally for the athletes. Right now, 28 players from the conference are competing in the NWSL.
She does a great job. Lindsey can run at pace and cover a lot of ground in a short period of time. But play in a conference like the Pac-12, to play at a school like Washington, and experience that kind of thing has made them resilient players that are able to go into professional situation and perform.
I think the Pac-12 is one of the best conferences in the U.S., and it's awesome that they're producing talent and we get the opportunity to represent and keep playing.
With women's soccer growing daily, no one reigns larger than former Husky and 2-time gold medalist Hope Solo.
I love playing with Kate Dyness. I didn't play with either one of them in college, but I'm happy now. I think we have 4 Huskies in the league, so obviously the program is building, and the Husky program is building. But 4 players, that's a pretty good number, I'd say.
The Pac-12 has put a ton of players into not only the leagues that we've had over the years, but our national team as well. We've got a few on our roster from the Pac-12 in addition to Lindsey. So I think it's a great conference. We knew it, from our years playing against it, and it's a conference that should take great pride in its women's soccer.
It's unreal. Just to even look up and see the Space Needle and to be home with the fans. My UW team was here out supporting me. It felt really good, and I was glad to be with my new teammates from Houston too, so it was fun to combine both worlds.